वी विल स्टार्ट विद प्रेपिंग आवर स्किन। मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से मैंने ये सीखा है कि स्किन को प्रेप करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि पता नहीं पर बहुत ज़रूरी है। लेट्स स्टार्ट। आई स्टार्ट विद दिस। ये आप देख सकते हैं कि किस हालत में है। इसका मतलब ये है कि मैंने इसे सदियों से यूज़ किया है, तो आप भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। इट्स वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आई मेक श्योर आई यूज़ व्हेन आई एम डूइंग मेकअप। इसका नाम मैं पढ़ नहीं पा रही हूँ क्योंकि ये मुड़ गया है, बट ब्लू कलर का था। बहुत साइलेंस है, बहुत ऑकवर्ड हो रहा है, बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। ओके, हम आज के अपने रिंग्स को निकाल सकते हैं। ऑल्सो एक चीज़ जिसका मैं ध्यान पहले नहीं रखती थी, बस हर स्टेप के बीच में गैप नहीं छोड़ना। सो लाइक कुछ लगाया और फिर तुरंत दूसरी चीज़ लगा ली। सो आई फील आप जब भी कुछ लगाओ उसे सेटल होने के लिए 4 से 5 सेकेंड दीजिए। सो हम इसे 4 से 5 सेकेंड देंगे, जो आई थिंक हो चुका है। एंड अब विल मूव ऑन टू दिस फेस ऑयल। इट्स ब्रांड का नाम नहीं बताऊंगी, फ्री एडवर्टाइजमेंट नहीं करना है हमें। तो हम पहले ये लगाएंगे। डिपेंड्स, अगर आपकी स्किन ऑयली है सो आई वुड से कि आप इसे पूरे फेस पे मत लगाओ। यू कैन यूज दिस अंडर, हाथ पे क्यों रख रहा हूँ मैं, अंडर योर आईज। एंड अगर आपका फेस ऑयली नहीं है तो आप इसे पूरे फेस पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं। आई हैव अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन, तो मैं लाइक आई सी कि आज मेरा स्किन कैसे बिहेव कर रहा है, क्या आज वो ड्राई रहना चाहता है या ऑयली रहना चाहता है। सो उस हिसाब से मैं यूज़ करती हूँ। तो आज हम इसे लगाएंगे सिर्फ अंडर आइज के नीचे और ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा। और अब हम इसे सेटल होने के लिए थोड़ा वक्त देंगे। वक्त देना बहुत ज़रूरी है, रिश्तों में भी और मेकअप में भी।
This is one of my favorite toners. I have a lot of toners that I love, mostly Korean beauty because it's all over the internet right now. And वो जो बोलते हैं वो करते भी हैं. It's really effective. The rice toners especially. But today I'm going to do this Pat McGrath Divine Skin. It's a rose essence and it smells amazing. It smells like would Johnson Baby smell आती है ना. I am so addicted to this. So I'm just going to put it all over my face. Talking about my skin type, because you have to choose products according to your skin type, नहीं तो breakouts आना शुरू हो जाएंगे, acne और पूरी बर्बाद हो जाएगी skin. इससे अच्छा you should know what is happening on your skin first. I am usually prone to acne and I tend to break out a lot. If I have stress, I break out. Around my menstruation, I break out. So it's like, so I have to be very careful. So the products that I'm choosing right now also, it's good for your acne prone skin. तो अभी मैं जो आपको दिखा रही हूँ, आप actually अपने acne prone skin के लिए use कर सकते हो. And I have like a medium to oily skin type. So yeah. Now I'm done with my toner. The next thing that we're gonna do is okay, moisturize. Girls, you have to moisturize. This one is Protein Polypeptide Cream from Drunk Elephant, and God, I can't even talk about this because this product is heaven. It's like my go-to, and it's a holy grail, literally. It literally repairs your skin barrier and all the things that are going wrong on your face. And I think this is something that I always do. One thing, I think it's a myth I would just want to clear. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि if you are in your summer time, it's humid, so you don't wear your moisturizer. Moisturizer has to be there on your skin all the time. If you think नहीं आज मैं बहुत oily feel कर रही हूँ, choose a moisturizer which is for your oily skin. But please just wear a moisturizer. You'll thank me later for this, seriously. And yeah, so now we're done with the moisturizer. Next thing that I'm going to use is SPF. Very important in Mumbai especially, and in India, I'm sure. Please wear your sunscreen. सच में बहुत ही important है. This is SPF 40 and Super Group Glow Sunscreen. As if I need any, but I'm already really shiny right now. I'll dab that later with my powder. But this has SPF as well as a little bit glow also. So I'll just show it to you how it looks on my skin. Awesome. Wear it on your neck as well. This area is also very important because it's also going to be there outside in the sun. Nicely do it. One more thing, whenever I'm getting ready, I would like not to be disturbed. That's me. किसी लोगों को होता है ना एकदम से जल्दी चलो 5-10 मिनट में रेडी हो जाओ, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. I would light a candle first, drink some water, play on some nice music. I have a special playlist for that on my Spotify. I can share it with you on my Instagram later. But this is something very, very important. Rest of the product on your hands, please don't waste it.
I always wake up with very dehydrated skin और मेरे lips भी बहुत chapped हो जाता है morning में. So my first order of business is bringing that hydration back. So we'll focus on that. But before that, I want to clean my pores क्योंकि around press time बहुत ज़्यादा makeup होता है skin पे. So I like to use a little mini face pack that just cleans my pores. I have the most clogged pores around my nose area. So I concentrate this mask here. मुझे पहले पता भी नहीं था कि मास्क को एक जगह concentrate कर सकते हैं. मुझे लगता था कि कोई रूल है कि if you're putting it on one part of your face पूरी शक्ल पे लगाना पड़ता है. But then I realized as I grew up ऐसा कोई रूल है ही नहीं. So now I just put it in the areas where I need that mask. And I spare the rest of my skin. और ये वाला बहुत strong भी है. Okay, the clay mask is on. I'm gonna let this one work for a bit. While that's happening, I'm also gonna put some eye patches. And I always wake up swollen क्योंकि मेरा sleep schedule बहुत ख़राब है. And if you're gonna act like आपका sleep schedule अच्छा है, then you're probably over 35 or you're too disciplined and we cannot be friends. So let's do it. Eye patches are my saving grace. Fun fact, the whole set of किसी का भाई किसी की जान got onto eye patches because of me. क्योंकि I used to walk into set every day with this black stuff under my eye and they all were so intrigued. They were like, ये क्या है? And you think just like all these Siddharth, Vinali and all were influenced? No. Venkatesh sir, South superstar Venky sir has a new step in his skincare routine because of me. That's one of my proud moments in life. So yeah, just gonna put this here. I also like to remove the serum bit क्योंकि I don't put it for the serum. Serum makes it slide and go everywhere. Massive cooling effect के लिए पहनने मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है. So just gonna put it there and we're gonna chill for a bit. And like I said, my lips also get very dry morning में. So we'll do a little bit of a lip mask also. But I have to keep reapplying my lip balm throughout the day क्योंकि once is just not enough. People also have a theory na कि the more lip balm you apply, the more your lips get dry. I don't know that. I just like feeling like my lips have berry on them. It's a great feeling. And while all this is happening, today I obviously have you all to talk to, but normally I don't. So in the meantime, I have my coconut water with some collagen powder. I mix that and I drink it in the meantime. It's very fun to drink for me because it's blue in color. So I feel like I'm drinking some cool soda drink. Little lies we tell ourselves to feel cool. I think I got into skincare relatively early. I would say around the age of 16 because that's when my skin started going a little idhar-udhar. Up till then I had really good skin. So मुझे लगता था कि whatever you apply on your skin stays good and life is magical. But then my dreams were shattered at the age of 16. That's when I went to the dermat for the first time. So I got like very, medicinal skincare. But now I have like proper skincare that I actually enjoy using. But yeah, I think going to a dermat is a game changer. Now, I'm gonna take a few sips of my drink and remove my mask and stop looking like a raccoon so that you all can stop being scared of me. I'll wash you off it now. It's my dry skin and eye again. So now we can hydrate it. So I'm sure अभी तक Instagram की वजह से we all know vitamin C, sunscreen, this and that. So I'm starting with that. I just take 2 pumps of vitamin C और उसके अंदर I try to mix a little bit of like a hydration serum also. Full chutney paste I make over here because like I said, कितनी बार बोलूँ, skin बहुत ही ज़्यादा dry है तो जहाँ भी I can help it, I try to help it. fill this whole thing I put on my skin. And it feels great, I'm not gonna lie. This is my favorite part of my morning, putting my vitamin C. I feel like, wow, मैं कितनी healthy हूँ. Done. Oh yeah, vitamin C, then I like to just force my skin to absorb it very quickly. After that, we go in with some moisturizer. Tan-tan. This one's not that like cold cream like. पहले मुझे लगता था that I really like very thick moisturizers because I have very dry skin. But this one's a little light and I've realized I like that better. Because of our weather, there's so much humidity here. I think our skin sweats a lot anyway. So when there's such a thick layer of moisturizer, that's not a good combination even for my extremely dry skin. So I've started going in for a very lightweight moisturizer. And I've realized instead of just relying on one product for your skincare issues, you should implement that same ingredient or that same purpose throughout your skincare. I think that helps more. Like my serum had a hydration factor, my moisturizer has a hydration factor, and my sunscreen also has a hydration factor. So it's just implementing over and over and over and over. Now that we're done with nice moisturizer, I go in with my sunscreen. I'm very lazy, I don't like the whole pumping thing. So I use this little glow stick. And do I look more glowy? I think I do. That's fine. And I put this all over my skin. This is also very easy to touch up. They also say, na, 2-3 hours you should touch up your sunscreen, but I'm not gonna like lie. I don't do it every 2-3 hours because I have makeup on. Now who will dirty their makeup? So mix that in. Now that's all the proper skincare stuff done.